have mounted little locks all around the van. We usually will lock the van if you leave it in the city or in some area we don't feel safe. After a quite long research, we ended up buying these ones because they were, at the time, at least 3 years ago, the best on the market. While being here, let's talk about the levelers. We find them super convenient. We store them always at the back, so they're easy accessible. First, usually I will try to find some rock or stone or something like laying around to put van in level, but if there is not, then it's super fast. I can take them down and level out the van. As you see tonight, we use just one. In hand to this comes these levelers. We have one on the door and one under the dashboard. Here we have our grey water tank. It's something around 30 liters. It's DIY from the large plastic pipe. And we had the issue the first winter. When it was very cold, it was freezing. So last year I installed the heating mat. It's running on 12 volts, and since then we had never problems even in -15. Box we have spare tire and hoses, snow chain, and some other tools and devices that we would use on almost daily basis. Closing and opening super easy. Just swing it up. On this side and on that side are mounted on the top hinges of the doors and on the bumper. As you see, it's super windy today outside. I hope the sound will be good. The one we currently have is a composting toilet, so the liquids and solids are in separate containers. For the solids container we use coconut hair base, and we need to empty it only once a month. Nature's Head has done an awesome job designing this toilet. It has a great ventilation system and it leaks no smell, which makes it a great choice for motorhomes and any off-grid homes. Welcome inside in the van. I hope the sound quality is much better now because outside it's super windy today. Between these both seats we have our engine. It's 2.4 turbo diesel with 92 horsepower. Here we have a small hood where we can check our oil level and refill oil if needed. The van is 3.5 tons and almost always we are full. So 92 horsepower uphill, sometimes a bit too less. Otherwise, we are super happy with this setup. From all electronics what van has, just 2 backup cameras, and that's pretty much it. Here we have 200 ampere hour lithium battery and 2 kilowatt power inverter. We are charging with it all our gadgets and devices. The battery is powered with 460 watt solar panels, and in summer it's more than enough. In winter months it's a bit too short daylight. That's why the battery is connected to the engine alternator. So in winter time we just need short ride to recharge the battery again. Here we have fantastic vent which really does amazing job. You just have to open a couple windows and it will run the airflow through the van, and in really hot summer days we never had issue. It actually was much nicer to be here inside than outside. Our model comes with a remote controller, so we can really easily turn it on and off when we are, for example, in the bed. And the best feature what it has is rain sensor, so if you go somewhere for a walk and leaving van, we open the vent. If it starts to rain, it of course will shut it down. And this is solar charge controller. Here we have a gas alarm. We are using it on a daily basis as LPG gas alarm, and if we are staying in an area that are not so secure, then we are switching on the KO gas alarm. And here is our control panel. Here we can check our starter and leisure battery voltage, and here we can turn on gas tank heating if it's too cold outside. Here, what I mentioned before, install the gray water tank heater. So here, turning it on, and because I didn't have any other indicator, so I had this extra light, so I install it to see when it's on and when it's off. And here we can check our gray water tank if it's full or not, and our fresh water tank. And this is the pump switch for the water. We have a Truma gas heater which runs on LPG. And so far we have stayed up to in -25 °C outside, and it was super warm and cozy inside. Here is our heater ventilator controller, and next to it is our water boiler controller. You can adjust it to heat water between 30 and 70 degrees. Under this bench we have 100-liter water tank which lasts for us around 3 days. Next to it is Truma water heater which runs on LPG gas. It's warming up to 70 degrees very fast, so it's very convenient to take shower. Another thing what we did with our blinders, we added the magnets all around, so we don't have to put on the sockets, because it happened to us very often. We woke up in the morning and they would be just down. So it's nice feature to do, we recommend. And it's super fast to apply as well. You just put it on and it's done. Another amazing feature for hot summer days is this metal air vent. You actually install it in the window, and if you lock your van and go somewhere, for example a city tour, turn on the fan and put these things in the windows, and coming back you're always in very nice fresh van. I hope you find this video informative. If you're interested to watch a full tour of our van, we will link it right here. Thank you for watching. Bye!